Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel What's Going On in House Life. Today I'm going to talk about an extremely important topic, and that is lighting. So what is lighting? Lighting is hope to your footage. It is something that should not be ignored in the process of filmmaking. It helps to look your footage more dynamic and cinematic, which is one of the most important aspects of filmmaking. Now, it's not even the right time for me to talk about lighting because I'm figuring out my own style of lighting and also I'm trying to learn more about it. But I still think that the little I know can be important for someone. So it's always good to share, right? As I always say. Now the big question arises that do we need professional lights for lighting a scene? The answer will be always yes. I mean, they have good color rendering index. But the more important question is, can we make light and use them in our shoot? Yes, of course, that is possible too. I mean, it's always better to have something than to have nothing, right? Although the result will not be the same, but there will be light. And light is always important to bring out your character more and more. So today I'll be teaching you how to make DIY light or fixture and then use it in your shoot. Now this video is inspired by Daniel Schiffer and his process of making a cake pan light. I did the same thing. I made a cake pan light for myself that I am using right now in my shoot, and I'll also show you the footages that I took using this light. Now first of all, for starting the process of making this light, you will need some basic things like you will need a screwdriver, scissor, tape, foil, an LED strip from your local electronics store, an adapter, 10 meters of wire, and obviously the cake pan. Now the basic benefit behind making this light is the LED strip sticks everywhere, so it makes the process easy. Now let's start. First of all, create a firm connection between the LED strip and adapter connecting the wires. Now stick the adapter well to the back of the pan. Place the foil in the base with a good cutting around the edges. Now start placing the light in the pan in an equal space. This will help to delineate the light well and reflect well. Now use a diffusion to avoid hard shadows and hot spot. For this you can use any white cloth that is thin and wraps around well. This will help to soften the light and also diffuse well. The end product should look something like this. Now you are ready to light a scene, and here are some footages from my camera. So now the thing is, there are times when you underestimate yourself that you won't be able to afford the lighting or gears. So there is another saying, gears are just slave to an artist. There are cinematographers who have got recognition due to their rough and imperfect image making style, like Christopher Doyle and many more. So at least start with whatever you have or whatever you can, because as per my experience, experiments are essential and the only key to practice the process of image making. This entire thing from cake pan to LED strip costed me to around 650 bucks. And it's a perfect fixture just to light your zero budget short film. So start with whatever you have, keep on shooting and keep on lighting, I'll say. I'll see you in the next time with a new video. Till then, take care. See you.